Hey guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to another episode. In this episode, I want to explain you how to do shopping on Rakuten here in Japan. Rakuten is quite interesting. It's very different from Amazon and Mercari, and actually I want to show you why it's so different and why you should look it up on this website. So are you ready? Let's go on my Rakuten website. If you can't find it, you can go just down below in the description. There is the link. But let's go through this website so you have an understanding how to do shopping on Rakuten. So first, on the top right here, if you don't have this one, this is a Google Translate. It's a widget that you can install on Google Chrome. It's very simple. You just need Google Translator widget for Google Chrome. It's going to give you this window, and you can translate Japanese to English. Let's do English, but it doesn't change much. But don't worry, I'm going to guide you today step by step, so you have an understanding of how it's like to do shopping on Rakuten. So the first thing you have to notice here is the bar on the top, and here I'll explain you one step by step each one of them, what they do and why they're so important. So first we go with the mobile. Okay guys, Rakuten is very popular in Japan. Why is that? Because they offer multiple service. As more service you have, you get more point. I can see here I have Rakuten Mobile. So if you have the SIM card from Rakuten, and if you have the credit card from Rakuten, and maybe you might have also to pay the bill with the service or the electricity company, you get more points. So you got to additional get all this service together, so when you do shopping or when you pay, you get multiple points. Rakuten is very based on this. It's the only biggest company who offer such a biggest amount of point. Again, point in Japan, it's mean money. You can use for shopping, you can use for pay bill or anything. And also I did a course just last week about SIM card, and I explained also about Rakuten with the price, everything. So if you're curious, you can check my course just down below. I can see first the price of Rakuten SIM card with the internet, but we go on to the next, which is the ranking. Here's going to explain maybe the best shopping at the moment, so which is the ranking the most popular at the moment in Japan. That can give me an idea of some price, but next one, it's a bit also cool because it's super deal. So super deal, again, as explained before, Rakuten offer a lot of point discount. That means that you can get a deal with 50% point back. This means that it's almost half price. Okay, so it's equivalent as a 4,400 yen. So you get here 20%, and you get 20% also with here, and you might want to check it out. This stuff almost all the time. Then the next one is fashion. So again, if you love fashion, if you're really cool about dressing and stuff, you can come here and check it out. You can see also the logo is a bit different. Maybe there's only one section for fashion. Moving on the next one, we're going to find this one, which is Rakuten Seiyu. I think it's the only one in compared to Amazon and Mercari that actually offer also food, like a really vegetable and milk, pizza, pomodori and stuff. If you don't feel like to go for shopping, you can order them on the website. Next one, it's the Rakuten BIC. So again, this one, it's the electronic, like a big camera. That's why big. So if you're a really big fan of electronic, you might want to check out this website. You might want to compare this between Amazon and Mercari. And next one, you're going to have a Rakuten 24. It's one of the best sellers, and it's maybe one of the cheapest products you can find on Rakuten. The deals are really good. I can see maybe here is a lot of shampoo, and you got maybe 6,000 yen for 6 of them. You got kind of bundle of product where you can buy and you can use, maybe you can use for 1 year or something like that. So you might want to check out this one as well. And next one, it will be the Rebates. I don't know what is this one. I'm going to see right now. Oh yeah, this one is like a referral website. So let's say that you want to go shopping on Apple website. You want to buy a new phone or whatever you want to do on the Apple. Instead to go on the Apple website, okay, you just go through Rakuten and you get to 1% point back. So if you want to buy a new computer and you got to spend maybe 140,000 yen, you get 1% back, which is not bad actually at all. So if you want to go to Uniqlo, instead instead to go to Uniqlo website, you go through Rakuten website, you get 1% back. There is also really a high percentage, like a AliExpress, you get 6% back, which is not bad at all actually. Going through, you can see even more referral. It's kind of a referral link, like Rakuten is referring other company and they get the commission for it, and you get saving some money as well. Next one, it's quite cool. I quite like it actually. There's more options than Amazon, I believe. So Room, it's kind of an application that you can download. You can kind of see the product online and also on Rakuma. For people who don't know, Rakuma and Rakuten are the same, but Rakuma is the Mercari of Rakuten. So in this case, on Rakuma you can sell your stuff. You can buy stuff second hands like eBay. You can do same here, but again, Rakuma it's a bit more really people to people, but Rakuten a bit with some business to people. So Room is almost the same. You can collect. It's a very long topic which I'm going to explain maybe in another video. Next one is the card. So here, if you want to have a credit card or debit card from Rakuten, here's going to explain you get 5,000 points. Again, I really suggest you to get a credit card, especially from Rakuten. If you are new in Japan or if you want to stay longer, I think it's a really good idea because all the time you pay with Rakuten, you get a lot of points. Sometimes they do a special offer that if you pay this kind of time of the month, you get multiple of 5 points. Again, points are money. So if you want to stay longer, if you want to have a credit card, debit card, you should really check it out here. I made a video online on my YouTube channel. You might want to check it out also over there. Moving on, we're going to have books, e-books. I'm going to check here because anyway, you can see from here, book, e-book, Rakuten is also very popular for traveling. So here you can search from business trip, hot spring or luxury inn. Let's maybe on hot spring. Who doesn't like hot spring? Yeah, you can see the price, the location, and again, you can pay this trip with your point. So again, maybe you do a lot of shopping, you get some points spare, and you want to travel somewhere. So it's a really great idea. Next, it's Rakuma. As I explained you before, Rakuma is the Mercari of Rakuten. So you can go here, you can list your stuff. Maybe there is something at home that you don't need anymore, you want to list it. By the way, if you want me to make a video about that, just please comment down below. I'm going to make a video if you are interested. So next one now, it's security. This is insurance. So if you want to have an insurance, then again, if you also have insurance, you get more points. That's all after you. Then you got the bank, Rakuten. I also explained in my online course that Rakuten has online bank. So also you can, if you want to have a bank, maybe you have a problem with your bank right now that you are in Japan, you can apply for Rakuten Bank. Rakuten TV, it's like a kind of Netflix. Help if you have any question, open a store, group, get here all the bunch of things you can check. And the global, here I have a different country where you also can check as well. So now, once we understand almost all the service of Rakuten, we go inside to see how to do shopping. So, but first you need to understand that again, it's all point based. That's why Rakuten is very popular in Japan, because they focus on point. Alright, once we understand everything here on the top, now it's time to do shopping. I want to show you how to do that. First here, maybe you want to search something. Also you can type in English, maybe you can type earphone. Okay, there you go. So I don't need to tap in Japanese, that's quite good. You can, they're going to translate directly. But let's say I want to keep scrolling. This was about maybe the promotion level right now. Again, this is all the points that you can accumulate. So if you have a Rakuten credit card, if you use internet Rakuten, you get 1 extra point. If you have a credit card, like the one I done in the video, you can multiply for 2. You get here more service. Look how many services they have. It's just incredible. You might want to really check it out. If you stay long in Japan, you might end up saving 10% all the time. Me and my wife at the moment, we are trying to save that for that amount, but keep going. Here it's the gender, you can see. So it's fashion, sport, golf, food and sweet. If you can see, if you click, it doesn't do anything, so you have to go on the right and select which one you want to see. Then you keep scrolling down, you can see the service, traveling, again, book, the season feature, oh yeah, Mother's Day, so here something happened in the season, maybe it's Halloween or Christmas, it's something happening here. Shopping brand, the biggest famous brand in the world, like a Disney, Marvel, Star Wars, and stuff like that. Smart and profitable is quite good actually. If you want to check here, there is the coupon. There is this section is more really for save money if you want to buy something on special right now, and that's quite good. The trend, and you keep going, there are more options. But let's say maybe I have something in the history, I want to buy this one. Okay, this is something that I need for my YouTube video, it's for my camera. So I keep going down, I can see the description. Okay, perfect. Actually, it can translate for me, that's quite good. I can see everything if I like it. And now here it's the shopping system. So it's very simple. But first, let's see here on the top left. I can see there is the item number, the price, which is tax include, that's very good to know. And then there is the point system. As I said before, sometimes Rakuten give a lot of option. Maybe it's the first of the months, maybe they give me extra point. I can see now I get 95 points. So I'm getting maybe around 5% discount. It's quite great. You can also see the breakdown. Maybe I don't get all of them, but yes. So if I'm a member, I get 19 points. If I pay with Rakuten Bank, I get 19 points. If I get other benefits, so again, I'm not get this one right now, but if you go scroll down, you can see free shipping, cheapest shipping to Fukuoka, so it's for free. And then the quantity, and then here on the left, on the right, here on the left, I want to say add to the basket. So if you want to keep shopping, I just add for now, and then I will keep shopping. On the right, I'll start to buy straight away. Here on the left is save the shop. So if you really like the shop and you want to save it, or on the right, save the product. Maybe you want to come back in the future, you want to buy it, or you want to buy a couple of times, you can save it here. If you have some question, you write inquire about the product, you review, email a friend, and a few things just down below here. So it's very straightforward at this point, but if I want to buy on the right, okay, this is the interface of pay and buy. Let's see if I work in English. Yes. Okay, unfortunately, the English translation is not really great. You can still understand what's going on. Quantity, no, I need only one. So this is the price. Point to be earned 5 times 95. So in this case, I get the promotion 5 times plus. So it's 95 points that I save, 95 yen. And the purchase. And now here it's going to ask me if I am a member already. So if I'm a member, I put Rakuten login with my email and the password. And here is the first time for you. You should fill up this form and you're going to be registered as a Rakuten. It's then once you pay, you decide to pay with what, with the point if you have some already, or with the credit card or other payment system. There are a few. That's pretty much all for this section. Now if I come back to Rakuten, I don't buy now because I don't really need now. Pretty much all, I can see here I got the point already, so I have almost 2,000 points that I can use. At this point, I made it just by shopping, by do almost nothing. So it was, again, it's a great way to really to make some passive income with Rakuten. That's pretty much all. It's very simple. If you want to keep going, maybe Rakuten super deal. Okay, let's see something like this. So it's Yoshinoya. I don't know if you want to buy food from Yoshinoya. Let's check. You know, if you want to buy some food, let's see. Okay, Yoshinoya. All the description about Yoshinoya. I don't know if you ever eat there. I don't really like it, but you just go down. Okay, free shipping Yoshinoya frozen beef. Okay. Frozen beef bowl under 20 grams for 28 bags. Okay. That's not bad. It's 11,988, but I have a look here, something really cool. The amount of points that I get today is 5,152 points. So it's 3 times more plus the 40% point back. That means that I'm going to pay almost half price. So in this case, 28 bags, I'm not sure how much it is, maybe 200 yen for bag, I'm not sure. But again, that's the free shipping Fukuoka. You get the deal, you get one, it's same things, you get the review, and here I get all the review of the product. You can check it out. If you're happy, you can purchase, and that's it. So check it out, the super deal, because they're quite cool. I found the difference between Amazon and Rakuten, that Rakuten in a long term it can be very profitable, it can be very good and saving a lot of money because they have this point system. But in, let's say, unfortunately on the interface it's not really friendly, it's maybe a bit confusing if you don't speak any Japanese, if you can read any Japanese. But after all, it was easy to do it. I really suggest you to try. If you want, you can use the link down below. It's giving me a referral code. It's going to help me also to grow this channel. But again, thank you very much for watching. If you have any question, if you want me to ask anything about this, just please comment down below. I appreciate your time and thank you. See you soon.